Wow, this is a castle with a swimming pool. Hello, designer Mew Mew. I am Ho Ho and live in a rundown castle. Can you help me redecorate it? No problem. You can count on me. This swimming pool has many severely damaged parts. Let's fix them first. Clean the stains. Wow, it's so clean! These floor tiles are seriously damaged and need to be removed. Lay the new floor tiles. Good job! The road is cracked, and there are a lot of rubble and leaves. Put on cement for repair. Lay a pretty cobbled path. Awesome! Lots of trash blocked the outlet of swimming pool. Let's clean it up. Install the water pipe. Pick a decoration you like. You're awesome! And then install some exquisite devices. Let's do it! Wow, the swimming pool has taken on a new look. Let's take a picture to record it. Here is the living room. Chandelier, windows, fireplace, tables, and chairs need to be refurbished. Let's get started. Let's assemble the dining table. The windows are so dirty. Wow, so clean. Let's hang the new curtains. Good job! Lay bricks on the fireplace. Awesome! Slide to tighten the light bulb. Pick a lampshade you like. You're awesome! The living room looks great! Now, let's choose some exquisite furniture and decorations. Let's do it! This living room is perfect! Let's take a picture to record it. This is a toy room. We can set up a tent, put blocks and toys here. Scrape off the broken poster. We can hang the cardboard once a nail is knocked in. job! Put away books and toys into different storage boxes. Put the floor mat. Which toy should be put here? You don't have enough coins. Awesome! Let's put blocks here. You're awesome! A tent for kids can be set up here. Good job! Next, choose some toys and decorations you like. Let's do it! Wow, this toy room must be great fun. Let's take a picture to record it. Let's first put up wallpaper and lay the floor tiles in this bedroom. Let's lay the floor tiles. Next, let's get bed, wardrobe, and dresser ready for the bedroom. Let's saw the bedboard. A soft and comfortable bed is ready. Awesome! Next, let's assemble the dresser. assemble the wardrobe. Put the clothes in the wardrobe. Good job! Now, let's choose some exquisite furniture and decorations. Let's do it! Which wallpaper should we choose? Pick the floor tile you like. This bedroom is so beautifully designed. Let's take a picture to record it. I am very pleased with this castle. Thank you, Mew Mew. Thank you. Glad to hear that you like my design.